Welcome back everyone, my name is Ari, and in today's video I'm going to share 5 simple hacks that anyone can use to pay off their home loan faster. So let's get into this. So number 1, setting up a bi-weekly repayments or a fortnightly repayments. So when you get a home loan, bank set up your repayment monthly by default. So if you are making a payment once a month, that works out to be a 12 payment for the year. And if you are making a payment a fortnightly, that works out to be 26 payments over the years, which is equivalent to a 13 full payment. So by switching it from monthly to fortnightly, you'll be making 1 month of extra payment every year, and that will help you to save thousands of dollars in interest and reduce the home loan by almost by few years, depending on the loan size that you have. Now that's a great way to start that can help you to reduce the loan. Now you might say, hey Ari, I get paid monthly. Now look, if you get paid monthly, you still can do it. You just need to have a little bit of discipline of managing your money. You need to know the inflow and outflow. Like you need to make sure that the money is there every fortnight so that you can meet your fortnightly repayment. So that's a very easy tool. Anyone can do it. All you have to do is just call the bank or just request to change it from monthly to fortnightly. It's just simple as it is, and it's a no-brainer. You can do it. So yes, if you haven't done it, go ahead and change it to fortnightly, and you're gonna thank me later. That's for sure. So now the second one that I have in my list is having an offset account or a redraw facility. Now look, these are the two most I would say the best features that the bank has with their home loan product, because having an offset account or redraw facility with your home loan can help you thousands of dollars that you pay in interest or maybe like reduce the length of your mortgage. Like for example, if you have a home loan of $400,000 and you got a savings of $50,000, if you just transfer that savings of $50,000 to your offset account or maybe into your redraw, you will be only paying the interest on the balance, which is $350,000, and that's going to save you a lot on interest that you pay over the long term. So that's a great tool that anyone can use. That tool can help you easily to save your money at the same time, that will help you to reduce the interest charge on your loan and help you to pay down that loan a lot faster than what it is. So that's a great tool. If you haven't done it yet, you can actually go ahead and use that tool. Now also, I have recently done a video on the difference between an offset account and a redraw facility, so why not go ahead and check that video so you'll have a bit more understanding of how these two features work, and you can make more informed decision based on your personal circumstances. So again, you can use the tool. So the third one on my list is make a lump sum payment. So when I say a lump sum payment, obviously it's sort of the payment that we actually get from here and there. You know how you sometimes come across with some cash, like you may get some bonus end of the year, or you may get quarterly bonus every year. So like you also get a tax refund every July. You can easily use those unexpected cash to pay for that home loan. Like for example, if you sold your furniture, like old furnitures at home, or maybe you have sold a car that's been sitting on the garage, so why not just use those money? A lot of us are very tentative to go ahead and spend that money on something that we later regret. So instead of doing that or spending those money that we don't like, why not we can consider putting this money into a home loan? That's going to help us in the long run. So that's another way to reduce the home loan and the interest that you pay on your home loan. So next one on my list is make additional payment. So this is one of the obvious tools that anyone can use to pay off their home loan faster. like you can pay down the home loan early by simply making additional payments every month. It doesn't really matter whether it's $50 or $500. Anything that you put towards your mortgage on top of your minimum repayments will help you in the long run. I know it's gonna like depend on household to household. Like some household will have more buffer, some will have less buffer. Someone can contribute more, someone can less, but it doesn't really matter as long as you are doing and paying something towards your mortgage on top of your minimum repayment. Because I think it's all up to you. It's just a habit that you gotta start building. Like you gotta have habit of paying extra towards your mortgage. You can start with $50 and slowly you can build that habit of paying extra depending on your circumstances or depending on how much you earn or how much you expenses. So you can manage. It's just that all it comes is the way you manage your money and the money habit that you have. So it's easy to pay that home loan depending on how you manage your money. So look, you can decide. It's an easy tool. Just making $50 will help you in the long run as well. So the last one I got on my list is consider refinancing. Now look, refinancing is a great tool if you wanna pay down your home loan. Like I have put that in number 5 because the first 4 are something that you can easily do it now. It is doable. Like if you wanna change your payment to monthly to fortnightly, you can do it now. It's just a 1-minute phone call. Or if you want to make some additional payments, you can just go ahead and do it, like pay $50 into your home loan. But refinancing can take some time. That may take like from few weeks to month depending on the lender. Refinancing is a great tool because if you are refinancing with a lower interest rate, it can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars in interest and help you to reduce the home loan a lot quicker. And also, like when you do refinance, you need to just make sure a few things. You don't want to stretch your home loan term to the maximum level. You want to make sure that you keep that as it is. What is your remaining loan term, or maybe reduced it depending on, because look, your life may change because you may got a pay rise or you change your job, so you're earning more than what you used to earn back in back when you bought the house initially. So you have the capacity to pay more now. Why not reduce the loan term and make sure that you actually shade up all the interest by reducing the loan term. So that's another tool that you can use. So just make a call to the lender or to the banker, or I can help you with the refinance if you're looking to do that. But with the refinance, I want to say one more thing as well, that look, once you bought a home or once you have a home loan, we make it we become so complacent and lazy, so we just let it go and we put that into the autopilot. But I think the best way is, if you have a home loan, you must check every 12 to 24 months just to see if you got the best rate or if you have the right product, because the industry is changing. There's so many lenders out there has got new products with a lot of other benefits and stuff, so you want to make sure that you got the right product, right interest rate for your home loan. So why not check it every 12 to 24 months? So that's the best thing with the refinancing, and that you can use this strategy to pay down the home loan a lot faster. So these are all there's some, obviously I do this video because there's some great benefits of paying down your home loan quickly, because it's obviously gonna keep you ahead into your game. Like you can, when you have a less lower loan balance, you can do a lot more other things, like in few years time, like in 4 or 5 years, if you want to buy the first investment property, you can easily use this equity into your home and buy your first investment property. or maybe you always wanted to buy the dream home, so you can also use this equity to buy the dream home, because it's all about, end of the day, it's the peace of mind that you can get with a lower balance on your home loan, and that peace of mind will help you to do a lot more in the other areas, like buying an investment property or buying your next house. So there's some great benefits of that comes with that, lower home loan balance. So yeah, that's, I think that's all. I thought I'll just share with you some few simple hacks that you can easily use, and just there's no point of just watching these things, but as long as you execute, once you execute, then only you can see the result, and then only it will become that you can see the outcome, that the positive outcome that you can get by using those hacks right here. So that's all from me today, and yes, so as always, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, why not go ahead and subscribe today, because I think there's no harm on that, and I know I kept saying that like a broken record, but look, if you subscribe, that's a kind of win-win situation for me. I can like, obviously you can get more tips and tricks of home loan. You can you learn something new from each video, and I can also reach out to the bigger audience, and I can help educating people how this mortgage works, so they can make some informed decision based on their circumstances. So hopefully, and you're gonna we're gonna make it, everyone. So just subscribe my channel, hit that subscribe, smash that subscribe button, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate that you take the time to watch my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye.